How to win a tic-tac-toe very easily. Okay, now we are having 5 O's and 4 X's. Okay, now O starts first. Now place the O in the center. You are guaranteed to win if your opponent places the X in any sides of a plus. Now, place the O in any side of the corners. Now, your opponent has no other option but to put below or above according to the situation. Now do the same to block your opponent. Place it above or below according to your situation. Okay, it's your time to win. Your opponent will be in a state of confusion so as to put in first place or in second place. Okay, your opponent has to accept defeat. And this is how you win a tic-tac-toe. Thank you for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe our channel and like and share to your friends and family.